How to turn off orange dot on iPhone. Well, hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Let me guide you through quick and easy and how you can turn off orange dot on iPhone. Well, the orange dot on an iPhone indicates that the microphone is being used by an app. To stop that dot from appearing, you can disable microphone access for apps that don't need it. You can also force close apps that might be using the microphone. So you can head over to settings. Once you're on settings, you can head into privacy and security. Under it, you want to find microphone. So you can see a microphone and you can toggle this off here. Any apps that might be using microphone in the background that is showing up the orange dot, you can go ahead and disable an access for it itself. A simple restart can resolve any temporary glitches as well. So in case it is just a glitch or a bug, you can restart your iPhone. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe as well.